So we got our guy that shoots basketball free throws. And if he made 100%, well, then this would be an easy question. Probably makes all three, 100%. Probably misses all three, no, he won't do that. Probably makes at least one, 100%. Probably misses at least one, 0. He won't miss any of them. The problem occurs, you don't make 100%. So he's going to make some, he's going to miss some, and now we have this issue. So he makes 83%. So what does that mean? Well, each time he shoots it, there's an 83% chance it's going to go in. Does that mean it's going to go in every time? No, it just means it should go in quite a bit. So what's the probability he makes all three? Well, that answer is 0.83 raised to the third. Okay. Now, we need to do this in the calculator. So 0.83 raised to the third is 0.572. Okay.
If we just rounded 5.57, or do you want
0.57 is fine. 0.572, great. What I really want to see is that you've written this down. Once you write down this, I really don't care a whole lot about the answer. I mean, yeah, I want you to be like 0.83 to the third equals 8.59. You said you don't care. Well, no, I do care about that. But, you know, I don't make a key, so I never have a key that I'm going by. I just kind of look at it and what's the answer supposed to be and what's reasonably close to being the right answer, and okay, looks good. Okay. What's the probability he misses all three? Now, this is kind of hard for people because I don't tell you the probability he misses them. I only tell you the probability he makes them. Now, for those of you that don't realize this, if you watch the weather forecast and the weather lady comes on and says, hey, there's a 30% chance of rain, that does not mean to grab your umbrella. It actually means quite the contrary. It means don't grab your umbrella and rejoice that there's a 70% chance it won't.
But in Florida?
If it's 30% chance that it will, you can always look at it and go, 70% chance we're in the clear. Okay? You know, I wouldn't suggest doing that on a plane. If the pilot comes on and goes, there's a 99.9% chance we're going to arrive safely. Don't go, oh my God, there's a 0.1% chance we're going to crash and burn. Don't look at it that way. But that's the idea, okay? For people who have the glass half full, they go, hey, this guy makes 83%. People who have the glass half empty, they go, my gosh, he misses 17% of them. Okay? 17% is what he's going to miss. How do you get that? Well, it's 100 minus 83 or 1 minus 0.83. Probability misses 1 is 0.17. Probability misses 3 in a row, 0.17 to the third. So 0.0049. Now, he makes at least one. Probably makes at least one. This is where you have to start being careful here, because this is going to be 1 minus something. Now, I feel, especially in light of the fact that we're putting this on video to post later, at least 1 is 1 minus. Somebody asked me the other day, if you do at least 2, does that mean you do 2 minus? And I'm like, no, not at all. They're like, oh, I just thought you did at least 1 minus because you did 1. No, I do 1 because it's 100%. Okay, that's why we're doing 1. Okay? Now, if you make at least 1, what are you saying did not happen? If you make at least 1, what are you saying didn't happen? You didn't miss them all. So what you have to subtract is 1 minus the probability that you missed them all. So it's 1 minus 0.0049. So 0.9951. Okay. Now, what's the probability he misses at least one? Well, that's 1 minus the probability that he makes them all. So it's 1 minus 0.572, which is 0.428. Okay.
Can I see that last one? Oh.
Of course.
Okay. I had a different answer because I didn't put the 2.
Which 2? If you don't put the 2, you'll get 0.43.
3.
Okay.
I was just kidding.
All right. Any questions on those 4? I apologize, Vince. Can you pull it up? And we're back. I'm telling you, one of these days, Chick-fil-A is going to have a commercial right in the middle of my video. Chick-fil-A, I'm calling you out. All right. Scratch off lottery game. Now, you know some of you degenerates go to the gas station every time you get gas, and you're in there going like this. All right. I got an itch. Right? And you just got to scratch that damn card off. Well, here's the thing. Some of the games are actually have decent chances of winning. Like this game here, I don't know what game it was, but I was on the Florida Lottery website, and their chances of winning were 1 in 3. And I'm like, well, that's kind of good right there. Now, keep in mind, when it says your chances of winning is 1 in 3, that's including the chances of you delaying your loss, meaning you get a free ticket. See, when you win a free ticket, really what they're saying is you've lost, you just don't know it yet. Okay? But 5 tickets are randomly bought, find the probability. Probability that all 5 win, well, the probability of winning is 1 in 3. So the probability that all 5 of them win is 1 in 3 to the 5th. Okay? So that's going to be, I would do it in my head, but then you might call me a nerd, and let's face it, I don't want that. 1 in 3 raised to the 5th is 1 in 243. And you would know that's 1 in 243 because if you go like this, you see they're the same. That's how you know. Okay. If you don't know how to, if you didn't know it was 1 in 243, hit math, frac, and it will tell you. Okay. The other thing you can do, and I'm being serious about this, is you could also just go like this: 3 raised to the 5th,
That's what I did.
243, and then it's 1 over 243. Okay. A lot.
In a fraction?
What I really want is to see this, and now I virtually don't care what you write after that. Okay. Just once I see this, the decimal becomes immaterial to me almost. What's probably all 5 lose? That's going to be 2/3 raised to the 5th. We have somebody who just showed up.
I'm scared.
Never mind. I can't find it. It lost its effect. What is 2 to the 3rd to the 5th? That would be 32. If we were in California right now, people would go like this. Duck! All right. That was wrong. Sorry for people in California. 32 over 243. Okay. Again, you could do this. Now, be careful here, and I'm being dead serious about this. I see a lot of people who go like this. 2/3 raised to the 5th. Be careful, that's wrong.
Because it only raises the bottom.
That only raises the 3 to the 5th. It does not raise the 2. So when you get the answer, you're going like this. Oh, yeah, baby, 0.008. Got that one. Okay? No, you don't. It's 2/3 raised to the 5th. 0.1316. Math frac if you're interested. Now, what's the probability that you win at least one time? That's 1 minus which one?
The 2/3.
That's 1 minus the probability that you've lost all 5 times. So 1 minus 32 over 243. Okay. Doing a little mental math right there, you'll get 211 over 243. Okay? Sure. Show your work though. Okay. I apologize, Rimsky will bring it up. Okay. All right. Another word from our sponsors.